Give him a kiss? Oh, you give him a kiss. Give this piggy a kiss. Oh, that's so nice. How about a hug? Can you give your piggy a hug? You want a hug too? Oh. Oh no, he's just giving kisses, no hugs. Oh. He says. The date is February 18th, 2010.
Love kissing.
I kiss the moose. I love mooses. Oh, doggy. Oh, such nice kisses. Roof, roof, roof. You kiss him? You kiss him. I'm gonna eat his face. Drew, kiss it. Drew, kiss him. Oh.